off the driveway yesterday. Now we're doing another 5 or 6. The reports are we got about 17 inches of snow in the last 26 hours. It's finally done. If you don't get it cleared off now, it's going to be 6 degrees tomorrow, 4 degrees the next day. And you'll have it up with a patch of ice to try and drive on or through. None of which is going to be good. Inside the pine trees. I've been shaking snow off them as best I can to get them back up. Unfortunately, white pines and heavy snow don't always go together. So you can see here, I lost a couple of branches. They're about 5 inches thick at the base where they broke off. There, I don't know if you can see it or not. But let's keep going. That's pretty cold in the little birdie house.